Jai Shri Ram guys. Today we see about hash maps and hash sets. So today's our goals are what are hash map, hash sets, operations of hash maps and hash sets like add, remove, search, update with example. We see operations with example. Difference between hash map and hash sets, use cases of both. So first of all, what is hash map? Hash map is a data structure that stores key value pairs in it. To more understand by example, when we see operations, hash set is a data structure that stores only unique values. So these are hash maps and hash sets. Let's more understand with example. So this is initially the hash map is empty. Let's assume if we add 1 comma 4, where 1 is key and 2 4 is value. So you can add key comma value pairs is 3 comma 2, 3 is key, 2 is value. Now if you add 1 comma say 2, but one key is already present in hash map, then what is done in hash map is that your old value is replaced by new value. New value is 2, old value is 4 of key 1. So updating occurs when you add duplicate keys. So duplicate keys cannot present in hashmap. So all keys in hashmap must be unique and values can be duplicate. Like here, 2 is value for 1 and 2 is also value for 3. So this is hash maps. Here we see update, add, now search. So search is basically you search an element with key. Like if you want to search in hashmap, you can write map dot contains key like 3. So you get true because it contains value key 3. So if you suppose write map dot contains 2, you get false because there is no 2 as a key present in your hash map. So you can also get value corresponding to a key, like you can get map dot get 3, you get 2, map dot get 1, you get 2 because here value is 2 for both 1 and 3 keys. So this is hash maps. You can traverse in hash map by using for each loop. So why we use hash map? We can also store pairs in array list. So why we use hash map? So we use hash map for its efficient time complexity, because the average time complexity for insertion, deletion and searching or updation is almost average case is big of 1, which is constant time complexity, which makes it very useful. Similarly, hash set, as I say, it stores only unique values. So now see example of hash set. What is operations of hash set? Let's see with example. So if we add 2, 2 is added in hash set. If we add 3, 3 is added in hash set. Now important part comes. If you again add 2, which is already present in hash set, 2 is not added. Only 2 elements are there in hash set. 4 is added. If you again add 2, 2 is not added because 2 is already present in hash set, and hash set can only store unique elements in it. So hash set is not necessary that it is only type of integer. It can be type of anything like character, string. So this can be hash set. Hashmap can be also of anything like first is character, second is integer, first is integer, character, and anything else which is allowed. So now let's see difference between hash set and hash maps. So it is the difference between hash set and hash maps. So feature is that stores. It store key value pairs. It stores only values as I say. So uniqueness here is keys are unique here. Elements are unique. Use case which we see is it hash map is used. Hash map is used when you need to do mapping like A mapping to 1, B mapping to C, this kinds of thing you use hash map. When you need to count or you need to count frequency, you need to maintain relations, then you use hash map. Hash set you use when you need to check if it exists, if unique elements you want to remove duplicates like in these cases, this type of cases, you use hash sets. So let's see now use cases. See use cases of hash map and hash set. That is where you can use hash map and you use hash set. So you use hash map if you need to count frequency like these questions. If you need to count frequency of elements in an array, you use hash map. You need mapping, you need store extra info, then you can also use hash maps. You need key comma value relation, then you use hash map because you store pairs in this. Use hash set if you need only unique elements. You or if you need existence checking like if this element present in this array or not, because here you can store all the elements and you can find if it presents in it or not in big of one time complexity. Average casing, you want to you use hash map when you want to remove duplicates. So if you want to remove duplicates from an array, you can use hash map. Also you use hash map, sorry, hash set. If you want to remove duplicates from an array, you can use hash set. If you need visited set, then you also use hash set. So this is all about hash maps and hash set.